Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a re-review of the Seville wig by Noriko in a color I've reviewed a few times before. This is Almond Spice R. I shot this video in England while I was visiting my fiance, and while the scenery is really gorgeous, it is incredibly windy, which makes it really difficult to record audio because it just keeps clipping in and out and making terrible sounds. So I'm going to overdub this part with a voiceover so that way you don't have to destroy your eardrums in the process of listening to me describe this wig. Check out that wind. That is crazy wind. There's one benefit to watching a video shot with this kind of crazy seaside air, and that's that, you know, this is a standard cap wig with a permatease top, and if you're going to see any faults, any tracks, any vulnerabilities in the realism of this very basic cap construction wig, you're going to see it in this video. And here's a hint, you don't. Look at it blowing around. You don't see anything. You know, it looks very natural even in very high wind, which is a real testament to the quality of these Noriko wigs, especially for the price point. Now here I am talking about how I'm not going to talk much about the cap construction or the color, but how the hair is very silky. So I better stop this part of the voiceover so that way you can see my little 360, so you can see how beautiful Seville is on all sides. You know, the weather isn't always perfect, and nor will it ever be perfect every day when you're wearing your wig. So sometimes it's kind of a good notion to see how these kinds of wigs, especially the ones that don't have the fancier cap features, perform in everyday wind. This is a beautiful wig. It has beautiful layering, comes at a really wallet-friendly price point. I highly recommend Seville. I think she's really darling on. And this color, I told you I wasn't going to go into much detail about it, but you can kind of tell it's kind of a dynamite color. It is a beautiful sort of medium to light brown with lots of highlighting. Beautiful color. So I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. And this has been Seville in the color Almond Spice R. This is a Noriko wig. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.